we guide you through how to free up space on iPhone. First, open Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage to see exactly what's taking up the most space. Review the recommendations at the top, such as offload and use apps or review large attachments, and enable ones that fits your needs. Delete apps you no longer use, then clear large videos and duplicate photos from the Photos app. Open your messaging apps and remove old conversations, large attachments, and unnecessary media files. If you use Safari, go to Settings, Safari, then tap Clear History and Website Data to free up cache files. You can also optimize photo storage by enabling iCloud Photos and selecting Optimize iPhone Storage if you have iCloud storage available. And finally, restart your iPhone to help refresh the system and check your available storage again under iPhone Storage. Keeping your storage organized not only frees up space but can also improve your iPhone's overall performance.